Welcome back to Cruising with the Wild Herons. Our boat is still up on the Hard at TJ's Marina. The final touches for the Dinghy Butler are being installed. It's going to be located on the stern of the boat, just above the swim platform. While she was out of the water, we had new zincs put on. The zincs help to prevent any metal corrosion on the boat. The swim platform's in fairly good shape. It does need some work on it, but we're going to leave that till next year because, we've already had a few boat units this year to contend with. We're really excited about the Dinghy Butler system. It has an electric winch on it that's going to allow us to raise and lower the dinghy nicely into the water and retrieve it easily without a lot of manual labor. The electric winch is attached to the transom in the cockpit. The actual motor itself is on the Dinghy Butler. All the wiring for the Dinghy Butler system is located in the lazarette, located in the cockpit. And it's attached to one of our batteries. We're hoping to launch the Wild Heron back into the water this week. Stay tuned for more Cruising with the Wild Heron. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And also hit the notifications button. That'll let you know when we're downloading new videos so you can watch them. Ciao!